Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. We back again in this video of the Metasploit introduction. I'm sorry because the video before is cut before I'm so tired. Sorry guys. Okay, you can open the module again. You can check in this. I'm sorry. We are also in this. Yes, in this. So many background. There is so wait. Use exploit Windows SMB Metasploit. First thing we must check the VPN. Is it ready to try to run again? No result from search use exploit terminal. Result from search file that to load module exploit. I'm sorry. Use exploit external. Alright, and then we can run this. Use exploit eternal blue, and then set key command, set global value that will be used until you exit Metasploit or clear it using the unset g command. This is to set RG host. Wait, I want to activate the machine. This is the target IP. This is the example. First, we must writing this IP address of hotspot attack bot. No, I don't use structure, but I use in terminal. The Metasploit R1 1098765432 right. You can copy this. Why this is gonna be so smooth, and then you can close, come back and 10, 10, 138 and 50. Then you can copy and then can set the air hose. So option, this is the option. You must set this L hose and air hose. This is air hose. Can read again, so option and then set air hose to that IP. Set air hose to this IP, right? And then so option is to check. Yes, we already set this air hose. Then what's next? Air hose switches. So option air hose remote host IP address of the target system single IP address or network range can be set. This will support the CIDR class interdomain routing, rotation, 24, 16 edge or network range. You can also use a file where targets are listed, one target per line using file part of the target file as you can see below. Airport, pilot, lhost, airport, and session. This is to flush a data store. You can override any set parameter using the set command again with a different value. You can also clear any parameter value using the unset command or clear all set parameters with the unset all command. You can unset all. This is to reset the config. You can unset all and then show option. Yes, this is reset for airhost. After this, you can use the setg command to set values that will be used for all modules. The setg command is used like the set command. The difference is that if you use the set command to set a value using a module and you switch to another module, you'll need to set the value again. The setg command allows you to set the value so it can be used by default across different modules. You can clear any value set with setg using setg. The example below uses the following flow. We use the MS-17 ethanol blue exploitable with the errors variable using the setg command instead of the set command. Use the back command to leave the exploit context. Number 4, we use an auxiliary dismal scanner to discover vulnerabilities. The show option command shows the error host parameter is already populated with the IP address of the target system. In the navigating modules, use exploit, eternal blue, no pilot configuration, ZRG host. You can try to try this again. think this is still same. Pilot set RG host back is auxiliary. Oh, you can use auxiliary. We type back and then use auxiliary scanner assembly. Let's try and then yes, we can do this. And then what next? The next is we have to show option. Yes, this is auxiliary modules through airport. Airhost, yes, is the same. The airhost is length. You must set the airhost. The set command sets a global value that will be used until you exit Metasploit or clear it using the unset command. Using module allowance, all modules parameters are set. You can launch the module using the exploit command. Metasploit also supports the run command, which is an alias created for the exploit command. As the word exploit did not make sense when using modules that were not exploit for scanner, vulnerability scanner, etc. The exploit command can be used without any parameter or using the Z parameter. The exploit Z command will run the exploit and background the session as soon as it opens. We can try to exploit. Oh, we need to set. We need to set chair host. Set chair host. You can set this. Set chair host. Alright. We can set option. Yes. This is there. Maybe we can replay because cannot be attacked. Come back and then run, and then you can set chair host. Then so option. Yes, there was. Then come back and then use auxiliary. And then show option. Now, their host is good. Then we can and exploits. Was it likely vulnerable to AMS Windows 7 version 5, namely escape when host incomplete, auxiliary module execute completed. I'm sorry, madam, because I'm sorry because yes, wait a minute. Alright, and then this is the eternal blue. But this is SMD. Then we must use eternal blue first. You can click back and then use auxiliary, not but eternal blue. Yes, and then we can exploit 0. Start reverse this vendor on restart to scanning. Sending final SMB buffer, sending it to corrupted connection. Read V of corrupted buffer. You can check the module. This is eternal blue, and then this will return you to context from which you have run the exploit. Some modules support the checks option. This will check if the target system is vulnerable without exploiting it. Session once a vulnerability has been successfully exploited, a session will be created. This is the communication channel established between the target system and Metasploit. You can use the background command to background the session prompt and go back to the MSF console prompt. Interpreter backgrounding session to exploit eternal blue. Alternative Control Z can be used to background session. The session command can be used from the MS prompt or any context to see the existing session. Alright, we can try with Control Z. Why this suspend? Oh, I'm sorry because session 2 is not start. Let's try the MS console. Then you can use the eternal set RG host. Alright, and then we can open it again. I'm sorry because this is so long. This back and then use auxiliary. This is for check the IP. We back and we use and then show option to check the air host is right on configuration. Then this is the auxiliary. When run command, we back to the use of eternal blue. Yes, and then we can exploit and then invalid data started in use or not complete, but no session was created. Maybe we have run in the background and then to check the session command we use from the MSF console for any content to see the existing session. Yes, you can check the session, but there is no active session. Handle violet to bin. The violet bin. Why? Maybe we can back and then check the session. No active session. There is no active session. Maybe we need to talk into DeepSeek. DeepSeek log in with Google. We can continue and then we can explain why this is violet. Here your encountering indicate that the Metasploit handler failed to pin to the specific IP address and port because the address already in use on the regular breakdown of the organization. The process check already in use. Do not start, don't grab mail setting. Ensure lhost is set to your local. In case use different port, can set L port. Enable and then show option. We can check the lhost is right. Maybe we can start to answer the question. Let's start to answer the question. How would you set the airport value to 6666? Just set airport. How would you set the global value for air host to the IP? We can use set G, then air host, and then the IP. Then, alright, what command will you use to clear a set file? We can use unset file submit. What command do you use to proceed with the exploitation phase? We can use exploit. Alright. Then we can run into summary. Yes. As we have seen so far, Metasploit is a powerful tool that facilitates the exploitation process. The exploitation process comprises three main steps: finding the exploit, customizing the exploit, and exploiting the vulnerable service. Metasploit provides many modules that you can use for each step of the exploitation process. Through this room, we have seen the basic component of Metasploit and their respective use. It would be best if you also had used the MS-1710 Eternal Blue exploit to gain access to the target VM. In the following rooms, we will cover Metasploit and its components in more detail. Once completed, this module should give you a good understanding of the capabilities of Metasploit. Right? We just have finished this room. Congratulations. See you again in the next video. Thank you guys. Assalamualaikum.